What is up guys, it's Simon from PianoPig.com and it's about time for another episode of Chord of the Month. In this one I'm going to show you how to play my favourite chord. Now I do seem to have a new favourite chord every week or so, but today, at this point in time, this is my favourite chord. And as always, if you enjoyed this video and all the other stuff that I do on my channel, head over to PianoPig.com and have a think about signing up to my membership website. And that's about it. Let's do it. So this is a voicing for a minor 11 chord, and in the key of G minor, this is how it looks. So we've got a really nice combination of some crunch down at the bottom, mixed with this openness at the top. And they work really nicely together to create this rich sounding voicing. So in terms of scale degrees, what am I actually playing? Well, in the left hand, we've got the 7, root, 9, and minor third. And I kind of think of this as just the first 3 notes of the minor scale, plus the 7 on the bottom. In the right hand, we've got the 5, 9, and 11. And what you can also do with this is sometimes roll on to the 9th from the root note below. And doing this kind of helps me to remember how to play the chord, because you can think of this as the starting point, and this as the ending point. And this starting point is just a stack of fourths. And stacks of fourths are always much easier to remember than a random order of scale degrees. So the way I like to remember how to construct this chord is, in the left hand, like I said earlier, just play the first 3 notes of the minor scale with the 7 on the bottom. And in the right hand, create a stack of fourths built from the 5th. So D is obviously the 5th of G, and there's a stack of fourths. And this gives you your starting point. And from here, you can roll this note up a tone to give you the 9th. And this is your final voicing. You don't necessarily want to do that roll every single time you play the chord, but even just thinking about it as a stack of fourths will make it much easier and quicker to remember how to play the voicing. So there you have it, nice and quick. It's a really versatile chord, and you can substitute any standard minor chord with this. To finish off, I just want to go over it in a few different keys and put it together to create a little song. So let's construct this voicing in D minor. In the left hand, play the first 3 notes of the D minor scale, with the 7th added on the bottom. And in the right hand, play a stack of fourths built from the 5th. This is our starting point, and this is our final voicing. One more time in the key of A minor. In the left hand, the first 3 notes of the scale, and the 7th on the bottom. In the right hand, play a stack of fourths built from the 5th, and just roll this note up a tone. And you can create some really interesting things pretty much just using this single voicing. Here's a beat I made earlier built around using this voicing, just to show you the kind of things that you can do with it. So I hope you gained something from this video and found it useful. If you did, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, give that little bell a click so you don't miss any future videos, and I will see you next time.